Hi everyone, thank you for joining the Pioneer Library System today while our buildings are closed. This video will teach you how to knit a log cabin blanket, and it is intended for adults and teens. So all you need to knit a log cabin blanket like this one is our starter panel that we created in our first tutorial, and if you need to access that, the link should be available in the description. But after you have the skills to make that, all you need is all the colors of yarn that you want, as long as that yarn is the same weight and fiber content as your starter panel. So I started with size 5 bulky/chunky weight yarn, and it's acrylic, so that's what I'm going to continue using for the rest of the blanket. But after you have all that you need on that front, all you need to learn is how to pick up stitches. So I'll turn the camera to show that. So there are several styles of log cabin blanket, but for this one we're just going to do a simple spiral out so you can see how to pick up stitches along every different edge. So we started by knitting this piece up like this in garter stitch. So we're gonna start by picking up stitches along the side of the work. And you'll want to pick up stitches with the right side facing you. You can see this is mostly reversible, but I did weave in my ends on this side of the fabric, so I'm going to make that the wrong side. So we're going to start by trying to find a hole that is as close to the corner as we can get without only picking up one strand. You'll want to always try to pick up with more than one strand so it doesn't eventually cause a hole or a gap. See, if I pull on just one strand, it can gap pretty easily. So we're gonna want to pick up something like that has a couple strands on both sides there. And you'll start with your next color that you want and throw that yarn around, and I like to hold it between my middle and ring finger to pull it tight, so that you can get it through this hole here using your right hand needle, like that. And there's your first pickup stitch. So on garter, when you're picking up along the side, you're going to want to pick up one stitch per ridge. So you can see how it creates these little ridges of upward bumps and downward bumps. So there's a down, up, down, up, down, up, and that's one ridge. So for every ridge, you're gonna wanna pick up one stitch. I like to pick up according to the ridge. So because if I stick my needle in here, that picks up both of these strands there, I'm going to say that I'm going to pick up right in front of this upward bump for the rest of this pickup. So again, you'll wrap your yarn as if to knit, kind of holding this tight, and then pull it through like so. And then you'll find that hole for the next row, and there's my upward bump, there's that hole, 2 strands, wrap as if to knit, and essentially knit through that, and you'll keep going to the end of the row. So when you get to the end, again, you'll want to try to find the cornermost hole that you can pick up without only grabbing one strand. This one can be kind of tricky, but so after you do that, you'll see we have a nice little row of picked up stitches there, and we're gonna turn and knit that row as usual. And then you'll just keep knitting to your desired length for that panel. Okay, so after you've knit that panel as long as you want it to be, you can go ahead and bind off. I like to bind off on a row where the wrong side of the fabric is facing me, so that that bind off is kind of facing the wrong side. And then you'll turn that back around, and you can see we have a nice sturdy connection right there. So then after that, you'll start by again finding that corner hole that's not just the one strand, but still a good corner. And you'll pick up stitches along the side of the panel that you just knit, and then we'll start the bind off edge of our original panel as well. So now we've gotten to our starter panel bind off. So to pick up into a bind off, you'll see that it consists of this chain of loops here. And you'll want to pick up using both legs of each loop. So 1 stitch per loop. And this first one's kind of the trickiest, but you'll try to get under these. You can see here's the next loop. There we go. And then both legs, not just one, but both legs of the next loop. And you'll keep going to the end of the row, and then again knit that panel as long as you would like. And if you want a really even geometrical kind of blanket, then you can keep track of the number of rows that you're knitting and knit the same number of rows for each panel, or you can kind of make it modern and wonky, and that would also be awesome. It's just whatever you would like. And again, when you get to the end of the row, you're gonna knit through the cornermost hole with the 2 strands. There you go. And then you'll just continue knitting until that panel is also as long as you would like it. Okay, so after you've knit that panel as long as you want and then bound it off on the wrong side, woven in the end, you can see we have a nice sturdy couple of seams going. We're just going to continue this spiral. So to do that, you'll notice this next panel will just be the vertical edge that we already worked on the other side, but this one has a couple of panels, so we'll still go ahead and do it. So again, you'll want to pick up a hole or as far in the corner as you can while still getting 2 strands. And we'll continue with the ridge. So remember, vertically we only want 1 stitch per garter ridge, but again with the 2 strands. And then when you get to this part where you're going to the next panel, you'll do the same thing. Pick up those 2, so there's a couple of strands. You'll just hop on over. I know that some people prefer to put an extra pickup in there somewhere, not any specific place, but you can do that if you think that there's gonna be a little bit of a gap, but if there's not, you don't have to. Here we go. So then you'll knit that panel as well. Okay, so again, when you have this last panel, as long as you would like, and bound off, we'll just continue and finish up this last panel. Again, with this one, it's just the vertical edge, so we'll start in the corner like usual. Wrap and pull through. And do our normal vertical edge pickup. And then when you get here and you need to change, this is going to be the cast on edge. And with the long tail cast on, you still have, it's not as clear as the bind off, but you still have loops that you need to pick up both strands of. So this first one's gonna be still a little tricky, but you could kind of tell because it's the first one that you used on the other one for your first panel there. And then you can see this next one, that's your slip knot. This next one, you'll pick up both legs of that loop as well, just like you did with the bind off, and you'll keep going. Again, still picking up both legs of each loop. Okay, so after you've gotten to the end of the cast on and you picked up all those stitches, you'll hop back on over, so you'll still pick the next hole that still has those 2 strands above it before this bump, and pull it on through. If that takes a couple tries, it's okay. And you'll keep going to the end of the row. And then you'll finish up knitting this panel. Okay, so once you have knit and bound off that last panel, you will have picked up and knit every panel possible in a log cabin blanket. So you should be good to go continue on your own. You can keep spiraling like I've been, or you can build on whatever sides you want and then continue however you would like. Once your piece gets too big for straight needles, you can acquire circular needles that have a cord as long as can accommodate the number of stitches you need to hold when you're picking up. But aside from that, you're good to go. So that's how to knit a log cabin blanket. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those, as well as any pictures of your projects. And please leave any suggestions or recommendations you guys have for upcoming videos, knitting or otherwise. Thanks again for joining the Pioneer Library System while our buildings are closed, and happy knitting!